Kawasaki J concept. Kawasaki introduced at the Tokyo Motor Show the J concept, a bike the likes of which the world had never seen before. Half a decade before Yamaha introduced the strangely shaped Niken, Kawasaki envisioned a motorcycle with two front wheels and also the ability to shorten and rise itself to suit a particular riding style. Moreover, the motorcycle was designed to be powered by an electric powertrain. The main trait of the motorcycle was that it could provide either a low riding position for high-speed motoring, or a more upright one just for cruising. It could Lazareth LMV 496. The Lazareth LMV 496 is a mind-blowing vehicle from the French mechanical engineer Ludovic Lazareth. In 2016, the daring engineer announced the LM847, a four-bore and odd but unique look. On the highway, the Lazareth LMV 496 motorbike is propelled by an electrical motor with a range of 100 kilometers or 60 miles approximately. It uses 4 horizontal jet engines, one for each wing. Each of these engines can generate 1,300 horsepower of power, allowing the bike to hover for 10 minutes. The jet turbines are powered by kerosene. As such, the electric motor will be resting its energy once the superbike is flying in the air. BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100. The BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100 stands for the ultimate riding experience. Liberated from the need to wear a helmet and protective clothing, the rider is able to enjoy the forces, acceleration, wind, and nature as in touch with the surrounding world, savoring every moment. The design of the BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100 represents the essence of the motorcycle, the perfect synthesis between human and machine. Yamaha Motoroid. MOTOROID, stand up as if waking from a slumber to respond to the call. The machine's chassis gyrates and slowly brings itself up off its side stand to stand upright on its own. With a beckoning gesture or call from the rider, MOTOROID moves forward and sometimes rotates its chassis to snake left and right as if engaged in a friendly frolic with the rider. Despite being a human with a machine, albeit a very large one, and its owner going for a leisurely stroll, with a sense of intimacy and mutual trust, the primary technologies comprising MOTOROID are an image recognition AI system for recognizing the rider's face and gestures, Yamaha's exclusive AMS's active mass center control system self-balancing technology. Neutron Bike. Mechanically, Parker Brothers' vehicle, named the Neutron Bike, puts out a top speed level of 100 miles per hour. Further, it uses no gas or combustion engine power. The Neutron Bike runs entirely on an electric motor system. With a fully charged system running on a lithium-ion battery pack, the bike can travel up to 80 miles currently. Oh, and there's no room for a passenger. The Neutron Bike is a one-person vehicle only. The Neutron Bike is the next stage in Parker Brothers' development of a futuristic motorcycle. The light cycle represented the company's earlier foray with a combustion engine, specifically a Suzuki Twin V engine to be exact. The gas version is already pegging a price tag of at least $55,000 at retail. TMC Dolman is better known as TMC Dumont, that happens to be a mind-boggling 300 horsepower motorcycle with an engine that has been lifted straight from a Rolls-Royce aircraft. The motorcycle has been designed by Tarso Marquez, that himself is an ex-F1 driver. Apart from having a massive 6-cylinder engine from a 1960s aircraft, the TMC Dumont is also no less than a piece of art. The bike has 36-inch hubless wheels fitted at both ends, and these are the biggest units ever fitted on a motorcycle. Honda Riding Assist. In a global debut at CES, Honda unveiled its Moto Riding Assist technology, which leverages Honda's robotics technology to create a self-balancing motorcycle that greatly reduces the possibility of falling over while the motorcycle is at rest. Rather than relying on gyroscopes, which add a great deal of weight and alter the riding experience as announced by other companies, the Honda Moto Riding Assist incorporates technology originally developed for the company's UniCUB personal mobility device. The Honda Riding Assist technology also comes equipped with the Follow the Rider function, which allows the bike to automatically follow the rider by tapping on the front fender of the bike. The Honda Riding Assist technology will help riders in easily maneuvering bigger and heavy bikes at slow speeds in heavy city traffic. Acropovic Full Moon. It can be said that when an incredibly unique event takes place, a full moon may have played a role. The full moon concept motorcycle from Slovenian exhaust pioneers Acropovic may not be the result of a full moon, taking its name from the large aluminum and carbon 30-inch wheel, but its design and look are nothing short of unique. With over 800 hours of work, it features an SANDS knucklehead 1,524 cubic centimeters engine and two modified custom-made Acropovic exhausts. Ballistic Cycles 30 hubless wheel. Ballistic Cycles has always been a trendsetter in the industry. The crew at Ballistic Cycles was the first to add a 30-inch wheel to a motorcycle. Then, they took the big wheel concept a whole another step forward and added a big hubless front wheel to a motorcycle. Cutting necks and adding a few glass parts is one thing, but truly building a groundbreaking motorcycle takes a bit more time, effort, and a planning. The entire front end is completely one-off and each and every part is custom for this feature. The hubless wheel is machined from a solid piece of billet, and the brake system is integrated into the wheel. The custom air cylinder is designed specifically for the load endured by the wheel and motorcycle. The mechanics behind the hubless wheel features all the latest technology and completely pushes the boundaries of what is possible. BMW Spirit concept. BMW Spirit provide a revolutionary experience for future motorcycle riders, focusing on the interaction between the rider and bike. It create the opportunity to build a deep relationship since all becomes more and more important in your daily lives. Developing ways of human-machine interactions will be crucial for our future. The concept is focused on the opportunities it could bring to combine an artificial intelligence with motorcycling. BMW Spirit creates a human-machine symbiosis and is controlled like an extension of the human body with intuitive movements.